Hi, I'm Doug Blaine, and I work for Sweeney Builders as a project manager. I started out at a very young age. I've worked for commercial contractors, residential contractors, and I just love building. This is a coastal home. It's an older home built around 1905, and the customer is renovating and salvaging the main portion of the house and increasing the footprint of the home. There will be so many standout features to this home. There's beautiful exposed rafter tails and these beautiful gable barge rafters. There'll be a nice new fireplace. Just a lot of Craftsman style character of the home that we're salvaging and keeping true to the home. There's a lot of engineering that goes behind this, and it takes a professional team to put a house like this back together. Next year at this time, we're gonna have an amazing house here.